Hey guys, welcome back to Rhino Off-Road. Underwent a name change recently from Wayfaring Aviator, and I'll talk about that in a future video. So Black Friday came and went. Some deals were great this year, some deals weren't, but I definitely picked up some accessories for the Jeep, and I'll be covering that in this video, and then a couple other ones I'll leave as a surprise we'll cover in future videos. Maybe I'll give you a little hint here at the end. But picked up a few things. First off, there's been an annoying squeak in the rear of my Jeep that I've been unable to track down for the longest time. I finally crawled under there, and lo and behold, my sway bar link bushing was completely shot. I have a 3-inch Teraflex lift on there. I don't think I've done a video yet going over the Jeep build, so I'll definitely do a video on that so you guys can see what kind of equipment I have installed. But nonetheless, 3-inch Teraflex lift. So I went with some 3 to 4-inch Teraflex sway bar links, which I think I got for, I want to say, about $60 on Amazon. I'll put a link to all this stuff in the description below. Next, as you could tell from the West Coast Off-Road Adventure video that I made when we went up to the Sierras just a couple weeks ago, my off-road lighting is very deficient compared to some of those guys. One of them, and kind of the owner of the group, is a distributor for Baja Designs lights, so he'd probably kill me if he knew that I spent less than $50 on these two spotlights from Amazon. Nonetheless, they were cheap. I need them, so this is what I got. Do a review on these, and I'll also do some follow-on video reviews here when we actually can take them out and see how they perform at night. Along with these, about a couple A-pillar, B-pillar, whatever the pillar is, vertical pillars on the outside of the Jeep. Bought some brackets as well. So we're gonna get these all mounted up. Here's the old one. This is not what you want. Let's get rid of this crap. All right, so we're done with the first one. Got the ground and positive wired together, and I think I'll just probably take this excess and tuck it underneath the panel once I get done with the other one. I'm gonna have to obviously play around with this at night to figure out exactly how I want to aim it, but I basically just tightened it enough so that it won't be moving on its own. Let's move on to the next one.
It's all or nothing.
Quick thank you to iCamper. They sent over this hat as well as sweet patches and stickers. I think as a thank you or as in response to the Show Us Your Tent contest. So thanks to iCamper for doing that. Really appreciate it. Next, so for the next couple videos, they're going to be fix/upgrade / a product review of sorts. So before I take the Jeep up again, I'm going to install what's in this box in order to get my Jeep really back on the road. Hopefully you guys can see it. If you can guess what it is, throw it in the comment section below, and expect to see that in the next video or two. That's a wrap for today's video. Please subscribe if you haven't, smash the like button if you enjoyed this video, and then be sure to hit the bell for any alerts for future videos. Oh, I promise you one more thing, that I'd give you a preview as to what's coming next. Anj, can you do the honors? Another Black Friday purchase. We'll cover this next week. We'll see ya.